In Switzerland, one of the things you have to do is take the chocolate train. It travels from Montreux to Gruyeres, which is a village in Switzerland famous for its scenic beauty and the Chillon Castle. This is a full-day experience that takes you to a cheese factory and also a chocolate factory. The train offers a first-class compartment, which is a 100-year-old compartment, and the economy compartment, which is just standard. This is a 100-year-old compartment that you're seeing right here. The best part is the view outside. Once you reach the village station, the Tour de Chocolat bus will take you to the cheese factory. Your tour guides will be with you at all times while you tour the cheese factory. Here at the factory, you'll get to see the process of making cheese. It is a very interesting experience if you've never been to a cheese factory before. Once you're done touring the cheese factory, you can step outside to take some amazing photographs. The tour bus will take you from the cheese factory to the Chillon Castle. We chose to walk from the cheese factory to the Chillon Castle. It took about 15 minutes to get there. As you walk through the village to the castle, you will experience some of the most beautiful views and the valleys of Switzerland. I highly recommend you do the walk. You can always catch the bus at the castle, and there's plenty of time to do that. The village at the Chillon Castle is absolutely beautiful. You can have lunch here before you tour the castle. We had an amazing lunch at the Auberge De La Halle. I'll leave the link in the description below. The entry to the castle is free if you have a Swiss pass. It definitely is a great experience and you can take some great pictures. Next, the tour bus will take you to the Callier Chocolate Factory where you'll get to sample some chocolates and also see how the chocolates are made. The entry to the chocolate factory is free if you have a Swiss pass. You can also sign up for the chocolate making course, which is about a 1-hour session with a chef, and you get to make your own chocolate. At the end of the tour, you can buy chocolate from the factory directly, and this is some of the best chocolate I've ever had in my entire life. Don't forget to buy lots of chocolate because trust me, you will absolutely love it. After the chocolate factory, your tour bus will take you back to the station, and the return train journey is also very pretty. Switzerland is known for its cheese and chocolate, and this is definitely the best way to experience both. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See ya!